So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Installer. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows Installer, double click on it, and then click on Start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. See if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.